For MacBook users, a new software update is rolling out. The version of this update is macOS Tahoe 26.4.1. The size of this update is around 2.13 GB. In the update description, they mentioned that it comes with bug fixes for the Mac. So I started downloading the update, and once it complete, I install it. In the previous update, Apple added some new features to the MacBook. The one feature that I'm still using even today is the charging cutoff option. After the previous update, I didn't face any issues on my device, while some others were facing problems like battery draining, overheating, freezing, etc. Let me know in the comments how yours is. I'll share any issues I noticed after updating this and using it for some hours. Update wise, it's honestly nice to see even the first generation of M series MacBooks getting update on time. This particular model, the M1 Air, was released back in November 2020, but these days update quality seems to be missing the mark. Coming back to the update, it took around 20 minutes to complete the installation. After a few hours of using it, my MacBook is running normally. There are no issues like abnormal heating, app crashes or bugs. Charging cutoff feature is also working pretty well. There are no issues. If you have updated your MacBook and found any issues, feel free to share them in the comments. It will really help others too. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button so this video reaches more MacBook users like you, and I'll see you again in the next one.